Hey guys, I'm Beck Ainge, Hyperlight team rider and also the newest member of Fatsac. I've just received this package and it has my custom made plug and play bags and I'm super excited to open them. They are the highest quality bags in the market, recommended by Malibu and Axis, and I can't wait to get them in the boat. Stuck. Yes. The Fatsacs are super easy to install using the plug and play technology. They come with everything you need to get you out on the water quicker than the competition. I'm super excited about my custom designed Fatsac. I made it to match my board. To go get your own custom design, head to your local dealership. I'm going to install the front bow bag of my Axis A24. Each kit comes with the quick connect fittings for the auto vent options. The Fatsac compartment is under the seat, so go ahead and remove your front bow seats. It's hard to get wrong, but make sure that your print is facing up. The easiest way to install the Fatsac is like putting on your pants. The legs go first and then the body. Now that the bags are installed, go ahead and connect your plug and play. The easiest way to install the rear bag is to lift up this seat and then your back locker. Now remember, there's a front to the back, so make sure you see front goes to the front of the boat. Now we got the bags installed. Easy as that, let's hit the water.